Are you trying to grow your following or your business on Instagram, but you just feel like you're constantly going, you're constantly running, and you just feel like you're not moving? Well, girl, I feel you, and I'm here to tell you guys all about the new features of Instagram and everything about Instagram growth. My name is Kali.Alexandria, and I make videos all about social media, freelancing, entrepreneurship, building businesses, social media again, and more social media. I am such a fan of all the social media platforms, so I'm here to share all of my tips. I have been using Instagram for business for almost 6 years now, so I have learned a thing or two about growing my Instagram following, and I'm here to teach you guys all about it today. So today's focus is going to be all about Instagram Reels and why you need to be using them for Instagram growth. So without further ado, make sure you guys give this video a like if you enjoy it, you find this helpful. Leave me a comment, I'd love to know, and make sure you guys subscribe because I post Wednesdays and Sundays. But anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. First things first, let's talk about what Instagram Reels actually are if you're not familiar with Reels yet. So Instagram added this new feature several months ago, which is called Reels. So you guys will be able to see the Reels icon right here on the bottom. As you guys can see, it is right there in the middle and literally shows you all of the Reels exactly like TikTok if you guys are on TikTok. So that's Instagram Reels. They're just little 15-second fun little videos that you can post opposed to just posting on your feed or your stories, and Instagram is pushing them out hard. But before I get ahead of myself, that is what Instagram Reels are, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys 7 different reasons why you should be using Instagram Reels for Instagram growth. So number 1, let's get right into it. It is a completely new feature that is competing with TikTok. So if you guys are fans of TikTok, I'm sure you guys have heard of it, you guys use it, everything like that. But Instagram released Reels after TikTok, and they really saw the growth and just the excitement around TikTok. So obviously they kind of have to follow in their footsteps or copy them. So then they brought out the new feature, which is Reels. But the thing about using Reels is that since it is a new feature to Instagram, they are prioritizing the people who use Reels. So the thing with this is that since it is so new, they want people to be using it. So if you're not already using it, I highly recommend you do, because they honestly push out more Reels than they do actual Instagram photos. This leads us to my tip number 2, or my reason number 2, is that Instagram Reels have outstanding visibility. I was scrolling through the feed of Instagram just one night, and come to find out that everything that I was seeing, that I was scrolling, was an Instagram Reel. I didn't see one photo for ages, which is absolutely incredible because Instagram is really favoring the Reels, just like in my reason number 1. This is why it is so good to use Reels, because you're gonna get in front of different eyes, you're gonna get on the explore page, you gotta be using the hashtags also, and you guys, your Reels will get seen more than your Instagram photos, which I think is crazy. Reason number 3, it's easier to get on the explore page. If you're a content creator, obviously your goal is to really get in front of more people, so that leads to more followers, and getting on the explore page is one of the major goals. So if you use Reels, there's a bigger chance of you getting on the explore page. And like I was saying, using hashtags is so important, so make sure you utilize those 30 hashtags when you're posting on Reels that are just good to the video that you're posting. Make sure they're relevant, make sure they're relevant to your niche, and that will get more exposure to even more people. Number 4, share educational content. Most likely somebody is going to see that and they're not following you yet, and if they see that you're sharing great educational content that they really want to stick around for, they will stick around and follow you, and then they'll come back wanting more. I mean, honestly, don't just do the TikTok dances or the dances that are really just trending right now. It is important to actually kind of have a niche and to really provide that educational value if you want to do this for business and you want to do this for the long term. Number 5, or reason number 5, it's a new way to share your products and your content. And did you know that Reels are actually shoppable too? So if you are selling products, this can be huge with actually selling them. So that's big because that gets even more exposure on your business and your brand. Basically, it's just a new and effective way to really just market yourself. Number 6, they are super quick to consume. So it is so easy to watch a 15-second video. This makes it really easy for that consumer to get to know your brand without investing a lot of time into you in the beginning, because time is money. Like, people aren't wanting to spend a lot of time on things, and if you could tell them like exactly what you sell or give them information in 15 seconds, it's a lot easier to really just catch them and like suck them in. So I highly recommend that you guys be using Reels, especially if you're posting informative content. It can honestly be any type of niche, but as long as there's something of value that you're bringing. Number 7, obviously social media platforms are rapidly growing. TikTok is rapidly growing, but Instagram is still the most used platform month to month, so still use that to your advantage. You might see that TikTok is obviously growing at a really fast rate, but there are still more Instagram users than on TikTok. So highly recommend you guys use this to your advantage, because this is going to help you in the long term. And then to end this video, I just want to give you guys a couple more notes about Reels. And I had just made a video about how to take off the TikTok watermark for that video so you can post it on Reels in my last video. So I'll go ahead and leave that here. Make sure you guys do this. This is a really effective and easy way that makes like your video not lose quality, which is huge. I know there are a lot of methods to repurpose your TikToks into Reels, but this method I have honestly found to be the best, because the other methods really lost quality in my videos, which I didn't want super low quality. It's not as pleasing to the eye, so make sure you guys give that video a watch. Okay, so I touched upon this a little bit just a little while ago, but make sure you guys are using the relevant hashtags. That gets you seen. Post your Reels to your feed. That gets even more eyes on you. So there you go. I hope you guys thought this was helpful. Make sure you guys are using Reels. It is huge for growth in your business and as you're a content creator. So I highly recommend that you guys start utilizing Reels. But let me know if you guys found this helpful. Give it a like if you did, and subscribe because I post Wednesdays and Sundays. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.